What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best underwater drones on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Kaisia Fifish V6 or Vesix Siemens ROV. The Fifish V6, available in both standard and Vesix Siemens variants, presents a compelling option in the realm of remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, particularly for underwater exploration. With a maximum depth capability of 100 meters, the V6 provides users with a versatile tool for underwater missions. The controller, designed akin to a drone controller, not only facilitates easy maneuvering but also features a dedicated slot for a smartphone, serving as a convenient monitoring display. One notable aspect of the Fifish V6 is its posture lock functionality, ensuring precise and accurate positioning during operations. The inclusion of a lock depth button further enhances operational control, providing users with a comprehensive set of tools for navigating underwater environments. The 4K camera and dual 2000 lumen lights contribute to an impressive imaging setup, enabling clear and detailed visuals in underwater conditions. A distinctive feature of the Vesix Siemens variant is the inclusion of a robot arm accessory, elevating the ROV's capabilities. With a gripping force exceeding 5 kilograms, this robot arm opens up possibilities for tasks such as positioning equipment remotely or manipulating objects on the seafloor. Number 2. Chasing Innovation Dory. The Chasing M2 is a compact underwater drone, reminiscent of Chasing's Gladius Mini, but with a more budget-friendly approach. Despite its smaller size, it retains the distinctive yellow design and features the 5-thruster design, allowing for effective tilting of the body and camera control. The drone's maneuverability is enhanced by the depth lock feature, ensuring stable operation even for less experienced users. To achieve a more affordable price point, the Chasing M2 makes a few adjustments. The camera resolution is set at 1080p, and the drone is equipped with 250 lumens of light, suitable for shallower depths. The umbilical, while significantly shorter, incorporates a floating Wi-Fi buoy at the surface end. This buoy facilitates control within Wi-Fi range, maximizing the utility of the 15 meters, 50 feet, tether. In terms of control, the Chasing M2 relies on an app-based interface, foregoing a physical controller unit. While this approach offers convenience, users need to be cautious about water exposure to the touchscreen. On the positive side, the battery is housed within the drone itself, simplifying the charging process. The 720p live feed proves ideal for piloting, and the feature-rich app supports functionalities such as live streaming to social media. Number 3. PowerVision PowerRay. The PowerRay is an underwater drone designed for exploration beneath the waves, featuring a 70 meters, 230 feet, umbilical cable for reliable communication in challenging underwater conditions. Propelled by 2 horizontal thrusters and equipped with a central vertical thruster, the PowerRay ensures smooth and tangle-free depth adjustments. Navigating murky depths becomes easier with the addition of 2 dimmable 450 lumen headlights, illuminating subjects for 4K video capture, 30 FPS max, and 4.0 by 3.000 pixel stills. The camera's maximum ISO of 1600 proves effective in the depths the PowerRay can reach, although a larger sensor would be ideal. Storage options include 32 or 64 GB SD cards, depending on the chosen version. The PowerRay comes in 2 editions: the PowerRay Explorer, a basic video shooting drone, and the more advanced PowerRay Wizard. The Wizard edition includes the PowerSeeker sonar device, capable of detecting underwater landscapes and identifying fishing hotspots using temperature data. Additionally, it features a bait dropper, a travel-friendly carry case, and Zeiss VR1 goggles for an immersive exploration experience from the surface. Number 4. Chasing M2. Chasing, a prominent name in the remotely operated underwater vehicle (ROV) industry, showcases its expertise with the M2, a compelling underwater drone. featuring 8 corner-mounted thrusters controlled through a user-friendly joypad-style interface. Piloting the M2 at a brisk 3 knots becomes accessible to users of all skill levels. Equipped with a built-in camera sporting an A/1.8 aperture, 12-megapixel resolution, and a half/3 CMOS sensor with electronic stabilization, the M2 ensures undisturbed footage. The camera boasts a wide 152A field of view, capturing videos at 4K 30 FPS, with up to 120 FPS available at 1080p. Additionally, users have the option to mount a GoPro for enhanced versatility. The M2 offers exciting accessories, including a robotic arm, a powered tether reel, e-reel, that automatically manages the tether, and a swappable battery for extended exploration. While the lights could be improved in terms of brightness and distance from the lens, 2 by 2000 lumens, the M2 compensates with accessory rails, enhancing its adaptability for various underwater applications. Number 5. Yukon Robot BW Space Pro 4K. The BW Space Pro distinguishes itself as an impressive underwater drone designed with photographers in mind, offering compatibility with various cameras, including a 6x zoom lens. This flexibility in camera options enhances the drone's adaptability to different underwater photography scenarios. Notably, the inclusion of a relatively wide aperture of f/1.5 contributes to improved low-light performance, a crucial factor for capturing clear and detailed images in the challenging lighting conditions of underwater environments. The Pro version of the drone goes a step further by incorporating AI object tracking capabilities. This intelligent feature enhances the user experience by allowing the drone to autonomously track and follow specific objects or subjects underwater, providing an advanced level of control and versatility. Despite ambitious stability claims, the drone's 4 thrusters enable a commendable 45-degree tilt in each direction. While other models may achieve similar stability with additional thrusters, the BW Space Pro maintains a robust and durable frame, ensuring reliable performance even when entering the water from the bank. The control interface is facilitated through the Dive app, available on both iOS and Android platforms. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.